This is one of my masks that I made just to test it out on the kids. You know, it looks like this. You know, they could breathe. It's made out of rubber band, with rubber band and paper, with wax paper and a filter from a coffee. It looks like this. Okay. I need thread, if I had thread, because I'm trying to look for my other stuff. I can make my, if I can just sew it, because trust me, it will work a lot better if you sew it. And this is just with staples. Okay, look, with staples. Which it was funny making it.
Okay, tonight. That's why I want to go outside with it.
You want to go outside with it?
Yeah, today.
And just two rubber bands.
I like my mask. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Now we get to go somewhere tomorrow that's warmer, except for they walking over there with my mask.
See, because over here, you don't have to sew here. You need to sew here and here. You can also put this inside, you know, like this. I'm doing it with one hand right now to show you, because I'm working towards my window, looking at the people going by. So you could go like this and then sew it.
I'm gonna put it on now.
Okay. I was trying to look for my tape, my double-sided tape, because you can put double-sided tape here, and then you don't have to worry about sewing it. So eso es lo que yo estaba buscando, el tape mío que tiene tape por los dos lados. Si lo pones aquí dentro, tú no tienes que coser esto. Tú puedes coser esto. Estoy buscando el hilo mío con la agujita. I'm trying to look for my needle and thread. And you could also use, if you don't have thread, you could use fishing thread, the real thin one, which I also have, which I gotta find through my things, because I used to make necklaces and bracelets, you know. But that's what you can do. You don't have to sew this side, just this side and here on the two sides, okay? So you do it with the stuff that I showed on my video. So all you need is your wax paper, coffee filter, a staple. Of course, you're gonna need your scissors, and your Bounty. Okay, whatever you have. Okay. Oh, and of course you need rubber bands. Okay? You need rubber bands. But this is just, you can throw it out if you want. You can also use, you can spray with this, the 99% germ. Lysol. There you go. Lysol. And let it dry out. Okay? Let it dry. And you can reuse it yourself. It's not like you use it and then you give it to another person. No, it doesn't work that way, okay? You could put it in a Ziploc, and that's how you protect your mask, just like that, okay? Put it in your Ziploc and take it with you. So that is one way to do it. I can also make other ones, different ones, like with the cloth. If you take cloth and you make a little slip where you can wash it, but you can take this the same way with the wax paper and the filter, okay? And if you want to put this, you can put that too. It doesn't matter. You take it, cut it to the right size, and slip it right inside the cloth. And if you want, you could throw it away. Do another one, put it back inside your cloth one that you use on your face. your face mask. And there you go.
I liked it. I'm going to do outside now.
And if you want to test it out also, you could I took a lighter and I told her to breathe, to blow out, and the fire did not move. So it's really good how I did it. Do it. You could test it out yourself. Okay. But that is my mask. A different kind of way if you don't have nothing. Si no tienes nada, tú sabes las cosas que necesitas. Aquí un way para hacerlo, ¿ok? And that is it. There's lots of ways you can make a mask. Hay mucho, ay Dios mío, muchos diferentes ways que tú puedes hacer una máscara, ¿ok? No only con esto. Hay otras cosas que tú puedes usar también.
Mommy,
hay un filtro que yo tengo. Si lo encuentro, lo puedo hacer. If I find this other filter that I have that is really good, it's a filter that I use for, I will make things with it, but it's for dust mites, everything, all kinds of different things, pollen, I had to get it because I am a person who got a lot of allergies and stuff. Now my granddaughter has it and my daughter also has it and the little baby has it too, But, I will have to look through my things. Even though I hope this coronavirus hurry up and get the hell out of here, It needs to go. I feel bad for all the people that are getting sick and dying, which is really sad. It's really sad what's going on. Es muy triste lo que están pasando la gente con muriéndose, enfermándose y todo eso. It's really sad. I hope everything's get better soon. Órale que todo esto pase, Pero es un way, más nada, ¿ok? Más que enseñando un way cómo hacerlo si no tienes nada. Just showing you a way, if you don't have nothing in your house. And even if you don't have anything, none of this stuff, you can probably get, let's see, you could still take your shirts, break it, and just wrap it around your face, Just try to do that with some paper towels or something, and spray Lysol. And you can reuse it yourself, not like for other people to reuse it because you will have to throw the paper and all that stuff in the garbage. But your cloths, you can at least wash it over, and But that's what you need. So, I'm just letting you just see this little demo, this little tiny thing. I didn't even show you how to make it, but I will try to see if I can make another video if the kids let me, because let me tell you, it was hard making it when people keep bothering you. Es duro hacer una cosa cuando tú estás tratando de hacer un video y los niños están al lado tuyo. Es duro porque ellos te siguen, tú sabes, molestando y tocando y tu mente no va para donde tú estás haciendo tus cosas. So I'm just letting you see that, okay? The wax paper and everything, and you don't gotta cut much, just cut it to almost the size.
We also doing turkeys with it.
Yeah, you could bake with that.
Do we have started turkeys? Do you have
Nah.
started turkeys?
Nope. And no, but I plan to bake a cake anyway. So that is okay, everyone.
Bye.
I will try to do a different kind of video to show a different way. I'm trying to look for my other things. Estoy tratando de buscar mis otras cosas para enseñar otro diferente way para hacerlo. También tú lo puedes hacer con brasieres si no tienen nada también. You can also use your bras. You could use pair of jeans. If you have a pair of jeans that you don't need it no more, use that and make threads with it, You could cut it and make something with it and put it as your ear, but you have to sew it a different way for you could tie it from the back of you. It's so many ways, people, You can do it just like that. let me see. Oh, there's another funny way, but it takes time and you gotta cut it into size, the right size. You can even take a cardboard box, okay, and make one also, okay. También puedes coger una caja, pero tú sabes, tú vas a tener tiempos, ay, no sé cómo se dice, pero para que tú, va a tener que cortar la caja muy bien y todo para prepararte una máscara con ella, okay? So yeah, that's what you need to do. So you can, it's so many different kind of ways, okay? There's even, but it has to be very thin. It can be like a hard plastic that you're not going to be able to, put it around your face. But they do have this plastic. It's kind of thin also, and you can shape it into your face, but make sure that you're able to breathe because you don't want to suffocate and die, También con un plástico lo puede ser, pero ten mucho cuidado que tú no lo un diferente plástico que uno puede usar en tu cara, pero tienes que tener mucho cuidado porque si lo hace mal te puede ¿cómo se dice en español? Fisiarte y te puede morir, tú sabes, y tú no quieres eso. So just ten mucho cuidado en las cosas que tú vas a tratar de usarlo, lo que sea. Pero hay muchos ways, tú sabes, si no tienes máscara o lo que sea, o conseguirlo, o lo que sea, tú puedes usar cosas así en tu casa, buscar lo que sea. You can use whatever, just be careful. Puedes usar cualquier cosita, pero ten mucho cuidado cómo lo usas. Be very careful in how you do it. There's another different way that you could do it with duct tape, but you got to be very careful in how you make it, okay? Because you got to do this proper thing for like that you can have airs, for you can try to breathe right, but without trying to get sick with the virus that's going on. También tú lo puedes usar con, ¿cómo se dice? El duct tape ese grande que pega mucho, pero tú tienes que tener mucho cuidado en cómo tú lo usas y cómo lo haces, porque tú tienes que respirar bien y todo con él, con esa clase de tape, okay? There's a lot of different ways, trust me, and you can do it, You can actually do it. Trust me when I tell you. Don't let people be like, oh, no, you can't do it that way. No, trust me, you could do it, okay? It's just you got to know how to do it the right way. No, que no no se crean que, tú sabes, que no digan que, oh, tú no puedes usar eso, lo que sea, nada. Tú puedes usarlo, pero tú tienes que saber cómo tú lo tienes que hacer y hacerlo muy bien, que nada te pase a ti o cualquier persona que tú se lo vas a regalar, lo que sea. You make sure, if you're going to do it for somebody, just make sure that it's going to be safe for you and for the other person, okay? You don't want no problems or whatever the heck is going to go down, that I'm just doing it for my family anyway, not doing it for other people. Unless somebody asks me, oh, can you do it for me? Then I'll do it. But other than that, no, it's just for me and my family. Es más que para mí y mi familia, es más nada. Si una persona me dice, sí, me lo puede hacer, sí lo hago, pero para yo regalárselo a alguien, no, porque yo no sé si le va a hacer daño o lo que sea a la otra persona. I don't know if it's going to get somebody else sick or anything. But this is how it looks, okay? Wait 1 second, I'll put on let her wear it again. So that is how it is, okay? See, the rubber band goes behind the ears, goes behind her ears. This part is like this on the bottom, okay? I'm trying to see if you can see it. That's how it looks from the bottom. This is how it looks from the top. Okay? Así se ve. Okay? No le molesta, no le hace nada. It's enough for it can move. Okay? So that is her mask. Así se ve. Okay? Bye everybody. Take care. Mucho bendiciones. God bless. Que Dios bendiga a todos. Cuídense. Be safe out there, everyone.
Be safe. And they're not even masks.
Yeah, I know for this coronavirus that's going on.
I
This
want
it
to go
needs to go.
outside.
I'm tired of this already.